Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Exposure to noise levels of 85 decibels, dB, or higher for prolonged periods can cause hearing damage. The risk increases with the noise's volume and exposure time. For example, exposure to 85 decibels noise requires about 8 hours before potentially causing hearing damage, whereas sounds at 100 decibels can start affecting hearing in just 15 minutes. It's crucial to protect your ears with earplugs or other hearing protection devices in loud environments.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.